Recently, Facebook has rebranded itself as Meta. The craze of metaverse is growing up fast. As such, there is one single project that is dominating this field. Welcome to Katosh Tubes. I'm host Paras, and in today's video, I will talk about Decentraland with its native token Mana, who is leading the metaverse race by providing a metaverse gaming platform to the users. I will cover this project in detail and also take you through the metaverse of Decentraland. But before I start the video, if you are new to the channel, do remember to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for weekly notification. And if you are a reader and wish to read about this coin or any other crypto coin of your choice, click on the link in the description, or you can visit my website, which is katoshtubes.com, and read everything about the crypto coins of your choice. So why wait more? Let's jump into Decentraland. Before I take you through the list of topics that I am going to cover in this video, I have a question for you. And the question is, what are NFTs? Comment below and let me know what are NFTs. And if you want to learn about NFTs, do click on the link in the description about Engine Coin, in which I have covered NFTs in detail. Without further wait, let's talk about topics of today. I will start with what is Decentraland. Next, I will talk about what is Decentraland Mana Coin. A look into Decentraland architecture, how does Decentraland work, and next I will talk about key features for the players who are playing on Decentraland. Next I will talk a little bit into Decentraland ICO, followed by benefits and drawbacks, and finally price prediction of Decentraland Mana Coin. So let's start with what is Decentraland. Decentraland is a gaming and a virtual reality platform that is built on the Ethereum blockchain. It is a place where users and players can jump in and purchase digital properties like land, which holds a real value. The project was founded in the year 2015 and traveled from Stone Age to Iron Age to reach the Metaverse age. The project has special land token, which is an ERC721 token, which is unique to Decentraland and is the property where a user can purchase the land unit and build the asset over it. Each land unit is 33 meters wide and 33 meters long with no limit to height. The whole ecosystem of Decentraland runs on Mana Coin. Mana Coin is an ERC20 token and is used by the players to purchase the digital assets and buy NFTs. Mana is also used as a governance. The user who is holding Mana Coin can participate in the governance decision of the whole network. There is a difference between Mana and land. So Mana is a fungible token, which means you can use it as a currency on the network, but on the other hand you have land, which is unique and a non-fungible token. The non-fungible token cannot be traded or exchanged just like you exchange the fungible token, which is Mana. That's why land holds a unique value and the person who purchases land has the actual ownership of that property. That makes Decentraland a completely decentralized ecosystem. Next, I will take you through the architecture of Decentraland ecosystem. So in front of me, you can see the screen. There are several layers on which Decentraland operates. The number one layer here is consensus layer. The consensus layer maintains the ledger of ownership of land using the Ethereum smart contract. Now each land has unique coordinates, a description file, and an owner. All these details are stored and verified on this layer. The next layer is content distribution layer. The layer controls the know-how of the content within each parcel and includes a set of files to render them. This layer contains special files like content files, script files, and peer-to-peer interaction files. And the third and important layer is real-time layer. This layer will help users to connect and communicate with each other through gesture, voice, and messages in real time, like the real world. And apart from this, it has payment channels and identity systems. The payment channels are used for faster payments with lowest possible fees, and the identity systems used to understand and verify the ownership of in-world item and its original creators. So this is little bit into the architecture of Decentraland. If you want to learn in depth about the complete architecture and how Decentraland operates, the complete in-depth review, you can click on the link in the description and read everything about Decentraland Mana Coin. Next is very interesting part of this complete video, and that is how Decentraland work. For that, I will take you through Decentraland platform and show you how it looks from the inside. Let's jump right into the Decentraland metaverse. Okay guys, let's jump to the real action. In front of me you can see this website, which is this one, decentraland.org, the website that you need to enter if you want to play or enter the metaverse. So here there are a lot of options. To get started, you need to click on this get started button right here. Click on it. So once you click on it, it will greet you with a screen which gives you two options to enter the metaverse. One is to connect your wallet and second is to play as a guest. So if you click on the option number 1, which is play using a wallet, you can connect using MetaMask, Fortmatic or Wallet Connect. So if you want to use your email ID to log in on this platform, you need to use Fortmatic. So if I use Fortmatic and click continue, so I have entered using Fortmatic. Now I'm entering the game itself. So this is different login that I'm using to play the game, and it will guide me to the first part, which is I think it will be avatars. So there are several key features for the players. One of them is avatars. Avatar is a place where you can design your body structure, your facial expression, your hairs, your clothing, all the things using avatars. And I think the screen is loading and it will reflect that option to me. Just wait for a few seconds. So here is the option. You can see on the top, body, head, top, bottom, shoes, accessories and collectibles. So you can design your own avatar before entering into the game, and you can also change it with time. So what I will do here, I will take you through this option quickly. So this is the body and this is the shape. Now I can randomize it, or so, oh my god. So this is the head. So I can design whatever type of configuration that I like or I want. So I'm just scratching the surface. You can just customize your avatar, a boy or girl, a man or woman. What I will do is take you directly into the game by signing in as a guest user. So I have signed in as a guest user and now it will take me again to the platform. So I am inside the game and you can see this is my avatar. This is my guest appearance and I look pretty smart in it, I think so. And here you can see I can move around just like any other game. I can move around and play, and I will quickly take you through the next option, which is this top left hand corner, and that is your, let me click, is the map. The main part of the game is the map section right here. So it will show me that I'm inside this Genesis Plaza, which is the part of the Decentraland team, and any property which is near to this Genesis Plaza is the costliest. So if I want to move around and go to another section, which is let's say like right here, I just need to click on it and click jump in and I will enter that section. Now the game is teleporting me to that particular section which I clicked. So that is how easy you can roam around within the game. So that's about the gameplay, how you can move around within the game and go to different destination, explore the lands, explore the properties, play around, meet people, meet friends. So there are real people within the game, just like it's my avatar within the game. I can chat with them, I can have a voice chat with them, I can have a gesture chat with them, I can have a normal text chat with them. So there are a lot of options which this platform provides. And let it load quickly and then I will take you to the other key features. So one more thing, this game has sound effects. I have muted it, but it has a good sound effects. So I have jumped into another word. This is called VR Polkadot. So I'm here. So I have covered a video on Polkadot. If you want to learn about Polkadot, you can click on the link above or read about it in the description. So this is another area that I just entered and it's up to me if I want to explore it or not. So that's how easy this game is. A metaverse in which you can come and play and meet people. Right now there are no people at the moment, but if there are, I can definitely chat with them and interact with them. So that's about the game. Let me close it and take you through its options, the key features for the players. Let me go to that. On top of the screen, you can see the marketplace, builder, docs. These are tabs. So if you click on the marketplace, this is the place where you can purchase items. So here you can see the marketplace. You can buy certain items as an NFT within the game, or you can buy parcels and estate of the properties which are on sale within Decentraland. So if you wish to purchase the land and build your own property, you can buy the parcel and estate going through this marketplace. And once you have purchased the land and want to build something on the land, so there is no coding required. All you need to do is go to this builder option, which is again a key feature of Decentraland for a player. If you go to the builder option, it will have a pre-designed or pre-structured, you can say, work or properties that you can just embed within the land. So you can see the new scenes. You can put garden on your land. You can put a beach on your land. So length of the garden is already given. The length of the beach is already given here. So let me show you this. It's loading quite slow for me because I'm using MacBook. You have to use a good computer with a good graphic card if you want to play this game. You can see if I purchase this particular item, I can just put this into my land and make it a beach hangout for the people who want to come to my land and explore this particular item. So there are a lot of things that you can do. This is just a little bit into it. So access marketplace, go to the game, play the game and explore it yourselves. So that's about the inside of Decentraland. Let's go back and explore more about Decentraland Mana by continuing the video. So that's about Decentraland platform and its key feature. Next, I will talk about its ICO. So Decentraland launched its ICO in the year of August 2017 and it raised a total of $24 million within 35 seconds. It is one of the most successful ICO in the history of cryptocurrencies. In the ICO, 1000 mana coins are used to purchase a plot of land which cost just $24 at that time. Anyone who has purchased the land in the ICO using the mana coins will have bags full of cash by now. Next, I will talk about the benefits of Decentraland Mana Coin. The number one benefit of Decentraland is its virtual real estate. It has lands that holds real value. Just like you have real world value of a land or a property, on Decentraland, this virtual packets or parcel of lands holds real value. So it's worth trading or be part of this network. Second is Decentraland is capable of hosting NFTs, which means within the Decentraland ecosystem, you can host your own NFT auction or NFT sales using the platform. Apart from it, you can also host your events or activities within the platform where real users can come and purchase tickets or buy the art from your NFT auctions. The next benefit that comes to my mind is advertising opportunities. Imagine the land that you have developed is attracting lot of visitors. Therefore, you can lease or rent the space of that land for advertising. That is one of the easiest way to earn a passive income on your land. So these are the top benefits of Decentraland Mana Coin. Next, I will talk about the drawbacks of the Decentraland ecosystem. The number one drawback is the speed issue. You will need a good graphic card on your computer if you want to run Decentraland smoothly. Because it runs on a browser, it is quite slow sometimes and it may not support or run smoothly on certain devices. So the speed issue is a kind of a drawback in itself. The next is the low engagement rate. Every day there are only thousands of visitors or the players that comes to the platform and engage with the platform. Compared to the mainstream gamers where millions of users come to the platform and play, Decentraland only attract thousands of the visitors. But I think this drawback is quite temporary because the platform is new, the concept of metaverse is new and it will pick up with time. The next drawback which Decentraland platform has to take into consideration is content curation. The platform doesn't have filters for mature content. Content like gaming, violence and abusive language cannot be filtered on the platform. This is where team has to work in order to separate mature content from a younger audience. So these are some of the drawbacks of Decentraland. Finally, I will talk about your favorite part and that is price prediction of the Mana Coin. Monocoin has a fair share of right. It has rose from few cents to a level of almost near equal to $5 in the bull run of 2021 before going down and crashing to below $2 level in the market crash of 2021. After the rebranding of Facebook as Meta, the word metaverse is the talk of the town, and Decentraland is the one crypto project that is to be considered in the race among metaverse. Therefore, it is quite likely to say that coin can end up in the range of $5 to $10 in the coming bull run, which is almost right on us. It will break its recent highs, which is close to $5, and may end up in the range close to $10. That is what I predict technically, and that is my belief about this coin. It is up to the investor and players how they treat this platform moving forward. That covers my in-depth review of this project. Do watch the video shared on the screen, and I see you in the next video with the new content. Till then, take care and have a good day.